If you're still using a traditional dial timer for your lawn, it's time to ditch the guesswork and water smarter. Smart sprinkler controllers use weather data, schedules, and app control to deliver just the right amount of water, saving you time, money, and your lawn from stress. In this video, I've rounded up the top 5 best smart sprinkler controllers of 2025 that make lawn care effortless and efficient. For your easy buy, I've put all the product links in the description below, so let's get started. At the top of our list, we have the Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller. The Rachio 3 replaces outdated controls with sleek app-based automation, making it easy to manage your irrigation from anywhere using your smartphone. Its patented weather intelligence takes care of everything, automatically skipping watering when it detects rain, high winds, freezing temperatures, or soil saturation. And with seasonal adjustments and grow-in schedules, your lawn gets the precise amount of water it needs all year round. Whether you want full automation or prefer to fine-tune things manually, the Rachio app gives you total control. You can run zones on demand, create schedules, track water usage, and receive smart alerts all from your phone. This smart sprinkler controller supports 8 or 16 zone systems, connects via dual-band Wi-Fi, and integrates seamlessly with Alexa, Google Home, IFTTT, and more. It's rated for indoor use but can be installed outdoors with an optional weatherproof enclosure. It's compatible with 99% of existing sprinkler systems. Whether you're managing a small lawn or a full garden setup, the Rachio 3 makes it easier and more efficient than ever. You can buy the Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Control at $249 on Amazon. In the second spot on our list, we have the B-hyve Smart Sprinkler Controller. If you're ready to upgrade your watering routine, the B-hyve delivers smart, reliable, and efficient irrigation for both indoor and outdoor setups. Recognized with over 100 active patents and multiple industry awards, Orbit is one of North America's leading names in residential watering. This smart sprinkler system uses cutting-edge drip technologies like PVC lock, blue lock, and drip lock, ensuring leak-free connections and precise water distribution. Whether you're maintaining a backyard garden or managing a full landscaping setup, B-hyve adapts to your specific needs. Control is completely in your hands. Use the B-hyve app from anywhere via Wi-Fi, allowing you to customize your watering schedule, make on-the-go adjustments, and even set automatic watering times that respond to local weather forecasts. No more guesswork, no more overwatering. The B-hyve controller is also indoor and outdoor compatible, giving you flexible installation options. And with its weather-sensing intelligence, it adjusts watering schedules based on rain, temperature, and plant needs, helping you conserve water and grow healthier plants. You can buy the Orbit B-hyve Smart Sprinkler Controller at $133 on Amazon. In the third spot on our list, we have the RAINPOINT ST80 2.0 Smart Wi-Fi Sprinkler Controller. Take total control of your watering system with this EPA WaterSense certified smart timer, designed for both indoor and outdoor use, and perfect for 8-zone systems. RAINPOINT's upgraded model puts advanced irrigation in the palm of your hand with a faster app, better water usage tracking, zone copying, and even automatic shutoff when rain is forecasted. Whether you're across the street or across the globe, you can manage your watering system with ease from your smartphone. The RAINPOINT app allows custom control of every watering zone, including name, frequency, start time, and run time. Its automatic seasonal adjust feature updates your schedule daily based on local weather, temperature, and humidity. Automatically downloaded by zip code every night. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple iOS, and Android devices, this controller ensures seamless integration with your smart home system. Plus, the watering delay feature can pause watering for 1 to 14 days, perfect for dealing with surprise weather. The ST80 2.0 also supports rain sensors and pump relays, making it a complete solution for serious gardeners or homeowners. You can buy the RAINPOINT ST80 2.0 at $178 on Amazon. Number 4 on our list is the Orbit B-hyve XR 8 Smart Sprinkler Controller. Revolutionize your outdoor watering routine with a smart irrigation system that's built for efficiency, convenience, and long-term sustainability. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, this smart timer lets you manage your underground sprinklers right from your smartphone, whether you're at home or on vacation. No more manual adjustments or worrying if your garden got watered. Just open the app and you're in full control. The B-hyve XR 8 is packed with smart scheduling features, including automated watering durations and real-time weather-based adjustments. It intelligently adapts to rain, heat, or drought conditions, ensuring your lawn and garden get just the right amount of water at the right time. Designed with durability and performance in mind, this device stands up to harsh outdoor conditions while maintaining reliable operation. Whether you're a residential homeowner, a landscaping pro, or a serious grower, this controller delivers water-saving precision while promoting healthy plant growth. You can buy the Orbit B-hyve XR8 at $129 on Amazon. Number 5 on our list is the RAINPOINT Smart Sprinkler Controller. Designed for hassle-free irrigation management, this Wi-Fi-enabled controller is compatible with 99% of sprinkler systems. With weather-based watering, RAINPOINT intelligently skips irrigation during rainy or freezing conditions, helping you conserve water while maintaining a lush, healthy lawn. You can even set custom delay times of 24, 48, or 72 hours to prevent overwatering and reduce your water bill. Manage everything remotely via the free RAINPOINT app, which works over Wi-Fi. And even if the power goes out or your Wi-Fi drops, RAINPOINT saves your data and keeps your schedule running smoothly. Whether you're at work or traveling, you can stay connected and in full control. The app lets you share access with family or your landscaper, and even monitor irrigation calendars and watering history to fine-tune future schedules. Customize up to 8 watering plans per zone, including start times, durations, and watering cycles. The Quick Run feature lets you water instantly with just a tap, no need to interfere with existing schedules. Plus, you can assign names and pictures to each zone for easy management. Control up to 8 normal valves and 1 master valve, and even pair with 2 optional sensors for enhanced precision. You can buy the RAINPOINT Smart Sprinkler Controller at $99 on Amazon. For the best deals and exclusive coupon codes, visit our website at couponoffer.net. Let me know in the comments which smart sprinkler controller you'd choose to upgrade your lawn care in 2025 and why. If any of these water-saving systems caught your eye, be sure to check the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more smart home and garden tech reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.